Good morning, everyone. I'm Gabe.
And I'm Andreas. Welcome to WestyVCA. Here's the news for Thursday, October 7th, 2021.
Today, the boys soccer team will face off against Adams City at Wolfpack Memorial Stadium. JV kicks off at 4 and varsity takes the pitch at 6. Come out and get loud for your Wolves.
And the girls volleyball team heads to North Glen this afternoon. C team starts at 4, JV begins at 5:30, and varsity starts at 6:30. Be sure to wish them good luck.
Tomorrow, the girls softball team plays their final game of the season against Overland at England Park. Varsity tosses out the first pitch at 4 and JV takes the diamond at 5:30. We wish the ladies good luck and thanks for an amazing season.
And the Westy football team takes the Gridiron against North Glen at Wolfpack Memorial Stadium. You don't want to miss this game because it's going to be a great night for football. Kickoff is at 7, so come out with your friends and cheer your Wolves on to victory.
Wolves, homecoming is on the horizon. This Saturday, come out with the entire family for the WPS Homecoming Parade. The fun starts at 10 a.m. and goes until 11:30 a.m. The parade route begins on the south side of Westminster High School and winds its way throughout the community. Cheer on the fabulous floats from every school in the district as they celebrate and throw out candy to the excited crowds. You will also see all your Westy programs on display. This is an event the community looks forward to every year, so come out and be a part of the fun.
Come cheer on your juniors and senior Powderpuff football team next Wednesday, October 13th. The game begins at 6:30 in Wolfpack Memorial Stadium. The entry fee is $2. 2 non-perishable food items such as canned foods, boxed goods. Items will be donated to our local food bank, the Growing Home. The food bank is in need of cereal, rice, and canned vegetables, so please donate if you can.
Next Friday, we will celebrate with our homecoming Pep Assembly in the Wolves Den. The band will be rocking, we will have performances from the step team, Raging Harmonies, and the WHS cheerleaders. Plus, the student council will have loads of entertainment for you all to join in on as we all get ready to demolish Adams City.
And you don't want to miss the homecoming court being introduced at the Pep Assembly. Let's support our homecoming royalty winners as they claim their titles at the homecoming football game that night.
That's right, Friday the 15th, let's pack Wolfpack Memorial Stadium for our homecoming game and show Adams City whose house it is. The Wolf Bites food truck will be selling their delicious quesadillas, pork sandwiches, wolf burgers, loaded fries, and mac and cheese from 6 p.m. up until the end of the first quarter. The Westy Marching Wolves will play all of your favorites, and your cheerleaders will be pumping up the crowd.
Oh, and don't forget about the amazing game your Wolves football team will be playing on the field. Let's ground the Eagles because it is time for the Wolves to feast. Kickoff is at 7, but the tailgate fun starts at 6. Come out with the family and welcome home all our past graduates and enjoy a great game.
Saturday, October 16th, the homecoming dance will commence. The fun begins at 7 p.m. and we will continue to boogie throughout the evening until 10 p.m. This merry, out-of-the-world event will be held in the Wolves Den, with tickets on sale for $5 each at the Accounting and Athletics office windows now. The dance will be space-themed. Come out and have a magical evening, dancing, laughing, and enjoying this marvelous event with your friends. But remember, in order to go, you must be eligible to attend.
Once again, here is Mr. Yohnka with the bad dad joke of the week.
Hey Westy kids, I just found out something we all need to know. Did you know you're not supposed to spell the word part backwards? 'Cause it's a trap! It's so bad.
Juniors and seniors, scholarship season is back. The more scholarships you apply for, the more likely you'll earn enough to cover a substantial portion of your college tuition. Visit the Future Center located in the library for more help in finding and applying for scholarships.
Seniors, the 2021 Colorado free application days are October 19th through the 21st. Visit the Future Center staff for help applying. Not a senior? Raise.me is also a great resource for students to begin earning scholarships starting your 9th grade year. Set up your account with your AE teacher.
Here is your upcoming events billboard for everything happening next week. Remember, Wolves, next week is Homecoming Spirit Week. Here's your WHS Student Council with more information.
Hey Westy students! We're kicking off Homecoming Week on October 11th with Dress Up Day. Stay afloat.
You can participate by wearing a floaty, a life vest, a sailor hat, or beach gear.
But all clothing must follow school guidelines.
And remember,
Stay afloat!
hey Westy! Class of 2024 here.
Tuesday is going to be Aliens versus Astronauts Day.
All students wear green for aliens and white for astronauts. Feel free to go all out.
Be creative and come in your craziest outfit and hair.
Hey Westy! Come participate in our School Spirit Week on Wednesday, October 13th.
Wear your Space Jam gear
or neon colors. Thank you! Come show your support! Join us this year for our Senior Meme Day, October 14th.
We did it, Joe! We did it! Dress up as your favorite meme from TikTok to Vine.
Don't be lame, show your school pride. She doesn't even go here. All Westy students are invited to join, even if you are emotional.
Now here's today's word of the day, provocative. That's all for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Gabe.
And I'm Andreas. Make today a great day. We will see you next time.